Division, Ibisiben.
See?
I'd like to interview this the first time we come to tomorrow. Today is another day to this enjoy the Pista Spin Run. According to other machine park, I'm sure to the good policies governed by law. You know, our people with this condition or believe not the barangay good policies governed by law. I see for your becoming to the with our barangay. Magandang gabi, bayan. Ako si Boy Lisma. Karapat-dapat paringgan sa lahat ating bayan, sa ating karapatan, sa ating buhay dito, sa ganitong bayan ng lungsod ng Bacolod. Purok Lawlers, I say for your permission regarding about something like that. So, information the whether our barangay good policies go by law. You know, in this enjoyed our everything, been the reason why. So far, I think to understand to how always the time behind in our Division the West people will be as to do Division the West for your according to news back. You know why? Magandang bayan. Ako po okay. Sa lahat tayo ginagito. Sa bayan natin.